From the police chase that ended in a fatal crash into a tree, to the officer who accidentally crashed into a suspect after he stopped, and the pit maneuver that sent a police car flying. These are the moments where suspects die trying to evade the police. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right in. On July 28, 2023, a Marion police trooper initiated a traffic stop on a driver for having a blacked-out license plate.
Care to put your hands on the steering wheel for me? Cool. Hey man, I stopped you tonight because you don't have a light on your license plate. It's completely blacked out, man. So you can't read it until we get right behind you. That's all right, man. It has to be readable up to 50 feet. You got a driver's license and insurance? Okay. It's just part of my job, man. He's taking off. Pursuit.
After the trooper asked for his ID, the driver suddenly sped away. The trooper quickly returned to his vehicle and initiated a pursuit.
I could get on Interstate eastbound. Coming from the 284. You're on Interstate, next to Mass 280. That direction is down for D4 and Clinton County units. That's 280 on 40. I see you guys, I think I get turned around here.
Alright, I'm in the right lane, it's in the left lane. Is it Crown Vic?
Supposedly trying to assault an officer.
I'm primary, about looking in through.
Go ahead and do it. Independent. Okay. Alright, I just about ripped out. I see the eyes.
The trooper executed a precise tactical vehicle intervention (TVI) maneuver, sending Clark's car swerving and disabling it. Due to the darkness, another officer responding to the scene didn't see the disabled car until it was unavoidable and collided with it from the side. Clark sustained fatal injuries, while the officer involved in the collision escaped with minor injuries and was treated at the scene. On February 26, 2022, a Montgomery County police officer patrolling in an unmarked vehicle observed a car swerving between lanes and suspected the driver might be intoxicated. The officer decided to initiate a traffic stop.
Need you pull over right here. Okay. Thank you.
The driver initially complied, pulling over briefly but suddenly sped off, sparking a 4-mile pursuit.
Silver Nissan or Honda Civic. We're on Park Lawn heading towards Randolph.
Copy, Park Lawn heading towards Randolph.
Yes. Just towards
Copy, coming up to yours.
going to be crossing over Beers Mill, just ran the red light.
Crossing over yours, headed, I'm sorry, just ran the red light.
Going to be coming up to Connecticut here shortly. All right, 9 Whiskey 12, they just wrecked on Connecticut Avenue.
Copy, just wrecked on Connecticut.
The chase came to a tragic end when the driver crashed into a fence and got ejected from the car. Her body was found several meters away from the crash site, and she was pronounced dead at the scene. During the investigation, police recovered 21 grams of marijuana and an unregistered pistol, later identified as stolen from the wreckage. On July 10, 2019, in Englewood, police attempted to pull over a Chrysler for having blacked out windows. But after briefly slowing down, the driver suddenly took off, sparking a high-speed chase that ended in tragedy.
Last play we ran. 7:34, we got a vehicle taken off from us eastbound from 71st to Peoria. The last play we ran. It's going to be a Chrysler 300.
734, you're westbound from Peoria and 71st. And what's the plate?
It's going to be the last play we ran. The last play we ran.
Last plate is 742-4618. It comes back to a 2015 Chrysler.
Okay, what's your location now?
71st and Parnell.
71st, Parnell.
What is it?
730, go ahead.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Stop,
Oh, shit.
Stop,
He
slow
just
down,
fucking...
slow down,
Yeah,
slow
I got
down.
it.
34, what you guys wanted for?
He just crashed 71 in Suicide Squad.
734, we need an ambulance, quick.
Oh,
Okay,
shit.
at 71 in Parnell, is there a crash? What's going on?
Yeah, the car that was involved...
The pursuit was short-lived as the Chrysler ran a red light at 90 miles per hour, slamming into a silver Mitsubishi and flipping upside down. The devastating crash claimed the life of one man, while 3 others in the Chrysler and 2 women in the Mitsubishi were left injured.
Hey,
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Hey,
Stop.
get a handcuff, handcuffs.
Sit down. Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Look at him, bro. Look at him, bro. Hey, cuff him in front.
I can't see this shit. Get the fuck, get me away from this shit. I can't
Relax,
see this
relax.
shit. Get me away from this
Get
shit.
him back, get him back,
Get me away from this shit,
get him back.
please.
Come on.
Get me away from this shit, please.
On January 5, 2017, the Yorkville Police Department attempted to pull over 17-year-old Hill in Omaha after reports of a stolen package from a porch. Initially, Hill stopped for about 15 seconds, but then suddenly took off at high speed, sparking a brief but deadly chase. In less than a minute, Hill lost control, crashing into a tree. The vehicle flipped at least once before coming to a stop on its wheels. Tragically, Hill was ejected from the car and pronounced dead at the scene. On April 10, 2020, the driver of a black Dodge Ram ran a red light and refused to stop when Arkansas police attempted to pull him over. That reckless decision sparked a pursuit, one that would ultimately cost him his life.
Getting up there and try to hit him, even if the trailer's brake check, you need to get him stopped.
Yeah, I'm doing the best I can, but
314 to that car. I was trying to get up there to keep him from blocking your 14, but that didn't work. Yeah, traffic was too big.
The driver had no intention of complying. He tore through heavy traffic, weaving between cars, and even drove in the median, blatantly ignoring repeated police efforts to end the chase as he stubbornly sped away.
Street, headed toward Barley.
Go ahead and start EMS.
The trooper performed a pit maneuver at 110 miles per hour, causing the truck to flip and launching the police cruiser into the air. The trooper was hospitalized with non-life-threatening injuries, while the driver was pronounced dead on scene. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. YouTube thinks you'll love this next video too, so be sure to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot.